Well, I'm not filming cicadas because you can't really see them, but I want you to hear what they sound like, just how loud they are. And this is right in my backyard. Just listen. And it's 24 hours a day almost. Just non-stop.
No, it's just half the day.
For what, 2 weeks now?
Yeah.
Yet I never see any.
I've seen a few. Their heads are hideous. Absolutely hideous. I'm gonna get you a dead one, you can look at it.
No, it's okay. If you find one, go ahead. It's the flapping of thousands and thousands of little bug wings. Luke went to see if he could find a dead one to show you. Let's see if I see any, but I don't see any. Well, anyway, to all my North Dakota friends that don't know what I'm talking about, I mean, we can hear this noise in the house with the air conditioner running and the TV on. You can still hear this noise inside over all that. I don't know if this microphone does it any justice. Just gonna be quiet. Oh well, I guess he hasn't found one yet, so I guess I'm gonna go. But anyway, for all you people that don't know what a cicada is, just check out cicadas on Google. Cicadas. All you North Dakota folks that don't know what I'm talking about. I'll see y'all later.